How to delete undeletable files and folders in Windows 10, 8, 7, or 11. So if you want to delete undeletable files and folders in your Windows, like if I want to delete this folder here, it says that it's no longer located or like that, it will not allow me to delete. So if you want to delete this kind of undeletable files and folders, then what you can do is just simply select the folder that you would like to delete, right click on it, go with properties. Now under properties, you need to go with the security section. Under security, you need to go with the edit option. Now under edit, you need to simply select your username and then go with all the permissions and deny all the permissions. Once you've done, you need to simply go with apply and OK. Make sure that you allowed all of the permissions and make sure that you've not denied any permission. Go with apply and OK. After that, again click on OK. Now try to delete the folder. And here it says that, are you sure you want to permanently delete the folder? You can simply click on yes and delete. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is you just need to simply search for command prompt, go with run as administrator and click on yes, and you need to enter some commands. So just simply type cd/d and then hit the enter. Now if it says that the file name or the directory name is incorrect, then again simply press cd /d, and now what you need to do is just simply go with the folder that you would like to delete, right click on it and go with open file location. So just select properties and here you will have the location, which is right here, the location. You just need to simply copy the location and go with the command prompt and paste it right here. Once you've pasted, you need to simply go with enter. Now you need to type dir /x and then hit the enter. Now here you will have your file location. Now again enter the next command, which is rmdir /q yes. You need to type your file name. So give a space and then enter your file name, which is right here. In my case, I have the file name as 1. Or if you want to delete the other folder, you can simply go with the file name. So I'll just simply enter 15 and then hit the enter. And after that, that folder will be automatically deleted. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.